one-owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a repair video. I got all kinds of cars for sale, and I do all kinds of little stupid things, all these little stupid different cars, but anything you see, check it out, and I've got stuff for sale. I got 3 more lots just like this with stuff for sale. So whenever I'm fixing something, I just tore that hood strut out, boom, and replaced it. I like to make a video of different things and put it up, and I have the new set here. I got them on Amazon. This is a Lexus LS 400. It's a Vepago. A Vepago! Contents under pressure. Do not take apart. Puncture, apply heat, or fire. Apply fire. Now I got the old one on here, and they're very easy to put on. One of the things you just got to do is you take a 12 millimeter, I think it is, and take that off, and take this off, and they give you. Hang on, got my wrench. I'll tell you what it is too. It's 12 millimeter. I got my new tool set. Actually, I'm going to show you my new tool set. This tool set is so cool. It went on sale for Cyber Monday or whatever. Boom, 99 bucks. It's got all this shiznit. It's all that, 268 piece Husky. Lifetime warranty. What a toolkit for the money. It was cheaper than Harbor Freight. When it's cheaper than Harbor Freight, you buy. If it's a good product. Husky is a good product. Gives you a little ball joint. I just had a freak out because I only got one in my pocket. Okay, that was scary, but I got both of them. I've got a tripod here. I'm gonna mount this, maybe throw in some of it. It's not that intensive of a process, I guess you'd say, number one. It's just a matter of taking them off. So put these back in the pocket, and that's gonna be the other way. There we go. They're not on super tight, they're easy to get off. And I guess I'd say to start with the bottom one. People might have a whole different way of doing that than me. But with the bottom one, it's easier to reach this top one after you've done it, got it off. Versus if you're doing the top one first and do the bottom one last, you're not going to be able to reach the bottom one to complete your job as easy. I'll show you what I mean. Now, I'm hoping that these fine pieces of automotive merchandise that I bought off of the internet are going to work. Meaning, I put on one, and one ain't holding the hood up. They were really good. Those look like they've been off. No, they haven't. It's a Tukiato Toyota. This is the real deal. It's honestly a very frustrating process because you can only get about a quarter return on the bolt, whatever you want to call them. They're a lot easier to put in because you can pretty much free spin them all the way down with your hand. But the way the ball joint thing's on the top of it, you can't get your finger around it to free spin it off. Even though if you can get a hold of it, it would definitely be easy. And I'll tell you one thing, there's a lot of thread on these. So there's the old piece, this Toyota thingy. Part number 53440-5040. Excuse me, 50040. Toki Oko. Junkie Moko. Okay, so now you take these, you got a hole for them there. You spin them in. We'll get it close. Start that one. I'll get you up close here. No fancy camera people or nothing. Sorry. It's right there. You can just free spin this sucker in with your hands. Well, it's gonna bind up a little. There we go. Look how clean this car is. I sell clean one-owner cars. Old guy that had this died. That's the only reason why it's for sale. I get them pretty good. No need to get them all the way, well, I mean, get them all the way tight, but no need to over tighten them. And it is nice being able to just do it by hand. It's so much quicker. There we go. Okay. Put this back on here for the heck of it. Okay, now for the new strut installation. I don't know why I feel like they should go that way. Put them on like they were. You just take this end, it's got a little snapper moo puller in it, and you snap or show it on there. Now, they come a little loose. Boom, it just goes right on though. Now to get that, that's what I was talking about. To get that piece, I'm gonna move this where I can work. We gotta take this now. And here's where doing the top one's easier, because now you can push up to it and snap it in. And boom! Okay, so that is that. That's that easy. I think it was 20 bucks or so. They're between like $18.99 and $24.95. But actually, a lot of whoosh in them. So I'm done. That just made my job super easy on this car. Very, very easy. Now, one thing that I'm gonna do that I guarantee you your employee or someone who works for you can't do is I'm gonna take this here brand new Husky 12mm wrench and I'm gonna walk back in the shop right now when I finish with it, and I'm gonna take it. Watch this. This is amazing. Chuck, everybody who's ever worked here, you guys can learn from this. Look. Look at that, it clips. There's a holder. It says 12 on it. Watch, well, watch this. This is slick, okay? Holy shit, the whole lid closes and it snaps shut. This is groundbreaking stuff here, people. So if there's any kind of a car you're looking for, look at that, Lexus. Look at that 5.0. There's another 5.0 back here, the newer body style. So, all Magnum, yeah, stuff's coming up. We're getting stuff done. Thanks for watching. We is me. Okay, thanks for watching. New videos every day. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. I said that about 3 times. Whatever. Subscribe, okay?